Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to add checkbox in Word. First, access the Word document. Once there, from the Insert menu, you are going to click on Symbol and then click on More Symbols. Now locate and select the box symbol. Once selected, click Insert, click Close, and this checkbox will be automatically added in Word. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.